Welcome to the Graph Digitizer Modes and Options tutorial for the Unscan software. This tutorial will describe some of the graph digitizing modes and options available in the Unscan Graph Digitizer software. To get to the graph digitizing modes and options screen, we need to load a sample image. A startup screen will appear when the software is opened, and a pop-up menu will allow you to load an image by selecting Digitize a Graph. For this tutorial, we will choose a sample TIFF file. The Unscan software offers a variety of graph digitizing modes. We will give a brief overview of each of these modes. Additional information about each mode is available by clicking the question mark button associated with each mode. Standard line mode is used to automatically follow a line or curve that is continuous and does not have other overlapping lines or symbols. This mode requires little or no user interaction during the digitizing process. Intersecting line mode is used to automatically follow a line or curve that may intersect with other lines or curves. The software will automatically pause at any of these intersection points and allow user interaction. Cyclic graph mode is used to automatically follow a curve that is cyclic in nature, where the data goes from left to right and then reverses and goes right to left. Bar graph mass spec mode is similar to the standard line mode and additionally offers an option after the data are digitized to convert the data from a smooth curve to bar graph type values. Dashed dotted line mode is used to automatically follow a line or curve that is composed of a dashed, dotted, or broken line. This mode is designed to help the software handle breaks or openings in the data line. Contour plot mode is used to semi-automatically follow a line or curve and allow the user to interactively select the contour lines to follow. Shapes Drawings mode is an automatic raster scan mode that will accept and digitize all the colored pixel in a user-defined region. Symbols Scatterplot mode is a semi-automatic mode where the software will automatically find the center of a symbol or point in a user-defined region. XY digitizing tablet mode is used to manually point and click using a screen crosshair to digitize points individually. This mode is very useful when none of the other digitizing modes are applicable. Polar digitizing mode is used to manually point and click on data points within a polar coordinate system. After selecting the graph digitizing mode, multiple graph digitizing options will be presented and you can choose the options that best fit your graph. These options are explained further by clicking the question mark button associated with each option. Thank you for watching our Unscan Graph Digitizer Modes and Options tutorial. Additional video tutorials are available on our Silk Scientific channel. For more information regarding the Unscan software, please visit the website shown here or contact us directly if you need additional information.